Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and once again I welcome you to my Ielts reading video. If you haven't watched the first two videos, I would like to request you to watch those videos first, then you'll be more comfortable in this third video. In this video, we are going to deal with question type, that is sentence completion, one word only. Sentence completion, one word only, and at times it's very confusing. At times it's difficult how to scan and where to scan the passage, because many students, they do a lot of extra reading and as a result they don't find the right answers. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to avoid all these things and how to reach the right place through scanning, and then through reading you will be able to find the answer. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you must subscribe my channel now and click the bell icon so that you know whenever I upload a new video. Now we go to the test and I'm going to solve the test, and while solving the test I'm going to give you all my tips and techniques. Although this is general training reading test, but it is equally good for academic students, because in academic reading sentence completion, one word only is very common. So guys, let's take a start. Alright guys, let's take a start. The benefits of having a business mentor. This is the whole passage and it's not very long, so you can do it in 15, 16, 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. So you should try to do it in 6 minutes. The question type is complete the notes below and choose one word only. Now they've written one word only and no number, so it means every answer will have one word, and one word means one word, no article, nothing else. How can a mentor help somebody setting up a business? Alright, so this whole thing is about how can a mentor help somebody. A mentor dash to help a new business person. A mentor manages to help, something like that. So it's going to be a verb. The category of answer is a verb, and as it is mentor, mentor is a singular noun, so verb will have s or es at the end. Mentor manages to help a new business person, mentor reaches to help a new business person, or something like that. Now we go back and see what is it that a mentor does to help a business person. You can convert it into a question. What does mentor, or how does mentor, or what does mentor do to help a new business person? Okay. Now over here, introduction. If you're starting your own business, you probably need a mentor. This is a business person who volunteers to give their time. Now you got to understand, if you're starting your own business, you probably need a mentor. Then they say this is a business person. This means mentor. This is a business person who means again mentor. This is important, very important. This is a business person. Now you can read it like, if you're starting your own business, you probably need a mentor. Mentor is a business person. Mentor volunteers to give their time to help. Help is already mentioned. Mentor volunteers to give their time, and you can see instead of mentor they used here who, so the answer is volunteers. And if you do not write this s, your answer is wrong, because it's present simple tense, mentor, and there must be s, a mentor volunteers. Okay, so see, they have written volunteers. Now let's go on. Mentors have a different role from. Now from means there is the comparison of mentor with another person. Mentor, comparison of mentor with boss, comparison of mentor with manager, comparison of mentor with somebody. So now you need to scan for another person who is in comparison with a mentor. Mentors have a different role from. Now let's see, from boss, from managers and all that. Okay, we read on. Particularly somebody is new in business, they have a wealth of experience, they are willing to share perhaps from setting up and running their own company. The mentor's role, now they're talking about role. The mentor's role is to support, develop, stimulate and challenge. However, business mentors won't solve your problems for you or tell you what to do. They will talk things over with you rather than acting as consultants. Now they are comparing mentors with consultants. The mentor's role is to support rather than acting as consultants. So they will not act as consultants. Consultants have a different role. Now what is the question? The question is mentors have a different role from consultants. Why consultants? The mentor's role is to support blah blah blah. However, business mentors won't solve your problem, will take things over you rather than acting as consultants. So consultants do these things. Business mentors will not solve your problems. Consultants will solve your problems for you and consultants will tell you what to do, right? So they are rather than acting as consultants. That is why the answer is consultants. And again plural, consultants, because they have written a plural down. Okay guys, so far so good. Now let's go on. A mentor can, now see a list of things mentor can do and then the bullet points. A mentor can, and if you take a look at the passage, again you can see why business mentoring is important. Okay, a mentor can, see that? Now all the answers are going to be there, right? A mentor can, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 points. A mentor can provide you with a number of benefits such as, these are the benefits a mentor can provide you. Now let's see what is the question. A mentor can help you turn your idea. This is the first thing. Assist you when you need to make. Assist. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we go to point number 2. Assist when you need to make. This is point number 2. Help with decisions, particularly difficult ones. A mentor can help with decisions and to make. Over here you can see assist when you need to make decisions. Alright, I'm just confused about the spelling of decisions. Okay. Sometimes you get confused and it's a good idea to confirm the spellings from there. DECISIONS, because if you write the wrong spelling, your answer will be considered wrong. Okay, now next, suggest how your business can increase its. Now increase, you need to find a word that is synonym of increase. How your business can increase its. Its means business, or they can write the answer right after business. It means business, referencing a very good example. Suggest how your business, and this is number 3. Now we go to number 3. Ideas for new products or services or for working practices that will improve your efficiency. Now see, that will improve your efficiency, and over here it says suggest how your business can increase its and will improve. So they use the word ideas for new products or services or for working practices that will improve your efficiency. And over here the question is, suggest how your business can increase its. How you can improve your, or how your business can increase its, and the answer is going to be efficiency. Okay, EFFICIENCY, efficiency. Again, I would say you have to be extra careful about spelling. Okay, so for number 18, efficiency. Now introduce you to a business network, number 4, and number 5, help you to develop your skills, important, abilities important and provide you with more that. Now one thing is skills, second is abilities, and third thing is missing. This is what we need to find, and it's number 5. This is number 5. Okay, let's just go on. It's not here. Access a network, contact with other business. No. A business mentor can also help you. See that? The second part. One is a mentor can provide you. A business mentor can also help you with. So question is help you. All right. Help you and help you there. Now let's see what is it. Okay, they say help you to develop key business skills. Okay. Key business skills, help you to develop your skills. Now instead of business skills, they have used the word skills. That is the first point. Well done. Improve your problem solving abilities. See that here? Abilities, problem solving abilities there, and over here they have only mentioned abilities. That is second thing. Build confidence and provide you with more. Now provide you with more means build something. Okay, provide you with more, and over there they say build something and then work on personal development. That is something else. So, and provide you with more confidence. See that? Confidence. That is the answer. Now the next point is to be agreed. You agree on something. How much? Whenever they use the word how much, it can be percentage, it can be proportion, it can be anything like that. The mentor should have. Maybe it is about the role of mentor, right? Or how much something a mentor should have in your business decisions and all that, right? How much something. Let's go on. And to be agreed. Now we got to see where do they talk about agreement. Face-to-face business mentoring. If you decide that face-to-face mentoring is right for you, mentor and mentee should decide in advance. Okay, you will need to agree. Yes. The answer is going to be in this paragraph. You will need to agree on the degree of involvement that suits you both. What's the question? The question is to be agreed, both of you, how much dash the mentor should have, and for how much they are using the word degree of. How much and degree of. Alright. So after that they use the word involvement. You will need to agree on the degree of involvement that suits you both, and here to be agreed how much involvement the mentor should have. So the answer is involvement. Okay, involvement will be answer. How much involvement, and over here they say the degree of involvement. You will need to agree on the degree of involvement and how much involvement. So guys, this is how you got to do one word only. Thank you very much. Welcome back. Are you feeling confident now? I told you. So these are the techniques. This is how you got to read the question. This is how you need to keep in mind the clue words and the synonyms of those clue words, and then you got to scan the passage instead of reading all the passage, and you can find the answers. That's all guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and there is another video which will come soon and you must watch that video, and there is a complete playlist. I would ask you to watch all the videos which are given in this playlist. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I also teach Ielts online. If you want to join my online Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best with your Ielts reading with no more than one word sentence completion. Take care. Allah Hafiz.